Hello, 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 hello. Yes, I'm simply busy with the Scooby. You understand, my followers and friends. Yes, to clean it nice here. You understand, I'm simply busy with the Scooby's dashboard with Mr. Mun. You see, Mr. Mun, I use this to clean the desk from the combis of the car, of the vehicles, only the desk. Nicely with Mr. Mun. You know, Mr. Mun, he clean furniture, he clean everything, metal, wood, floors, stainless steel, everything. He do this, you understand. That's why I clean it with Mr. Mun. You must buy Mr. Mun. He's very good. You see this man on this turn? Yes, Mr. Mun, he dance, he swipe, he do nice. You must buy this, Mr. Mun. You understand? And after when you spread it on your desk, you understand, my followers and friends. Then you're gonna wipe it with a nice cloth. You understand? You use this cloth and you're gonna, it's like you polish those desks with Mr. Mun. And the matter effect of Mr. Mun is, my friends and followers, Mr. Mun. Yes, Mr. Mun, Mr. Mun. He didn't know that you are polish or put a polish on the desk of any material thing, you understand, to spread it up. And Mr. Mun have a nice smile on his stand when he's staying like this, when he do those advertisements. You know, there's advertisement on the television when Mr. Mun is shiny, smiley, go everywhere in the kitchen, near the tiles, everywhere. And now Mr. Mun, he didn't have that with a shine in this polish, but also got a smile in this polish. You see, Mr. Mun, there's a nice smile, a smile in this liquid of Mr. Mun. You understand, my fellows and friends? Yes. So what I do here is to wipe this desk after when I spreading Mr. Mun nicely here in the Scooby. Yes, the Scooby shine now. It's the second vehicle for the day that I clean here. You understand? And that is what you must do there by to your vehicles, to clean it nicely, properly inside there. You can do it by yourself. It's easy. It's not that you must learn to do it. You understand? Or go to college for do that, or pass exam, yes, to do this. Cleaning this car, you understand, that is properly easy. You can do it by yourself. And the thing is that when you do it by yourself, you understand, you save a lot of money. You understand, you save a lot of money. And now Mr. Money do the job very nice after washing and dry the vehicle from you. Yes, and you put Mr. Man after all on everything. You see, that give a special extra shine, you understand, on your vehicle. Yes, and that now this vehicle is shiny, smell nice. When there's people come in this vehicle, or you go inside this vehicle of your vehicle, you get the smell first when you open the door and you come in your car and sitting nice after your steering wheel, and you're gonna drive somewhere. Yes, yes, yes. And Mr. Man, he attract you. Yes, yes, yes. You can't wait to drive a long distance to take people out for the day. You go somewhere to the restaurant, to the township, nearby the river, by the sea. You go to camp here, especially with this Kumbi here that I am sitting here. Because in this Kumbi, you've got nice bed inside in the bed. I will show you some of this Kumbi. You see, this Kumbi is nice. You see, it's a nice Kumbi. You understand? That's why. That's why I sit in here, nice in this combi, got nice software sheets. You sit when you sit in this on this chairs, that feel you sit in a hotel, in a sitting room. Yes, because it's very soft. You understand? Yes, but people and subscribers and likes, I shall like you subscribe this video. Don't forget, you Mr. Man here is you can buy it by any hardware shop or any police that you don't recognize any police or any that you get special Mr. Man. If you're in South Africa, I didn't know if there's overseas they sell it, but it's a little bit expensive, but they do the good job. Give a nice smile. You must like and subscribe this video. Please, people, I want to be on YouTube. That's why I ask you and please you to subscribers like this video. Spread this video for me as well. Have a blissful day and a shining day of Mr. Man. Good, bye-bye.